The purpose of this experiment is to measure the solubility of a salt in water over a range of temperatures, to then represent the salt solubility measurements graphically, to understand the factors that affect the solubility of a salt, and to use the proper units for solubility. First, assemble the apparatus consisting of a large test tube, the digital thermometer, and a beaker large enough to hold the test tube. Weigh the apparatus on the top loading balance to the 1/100th place. Add the appropriate amount of the unknown salt to the apparatus and then weigh the apparatus again. Use the table in your lab notebook to know how much salt to add. Measure out the initial quantity of deionized water and add it to the salt in the apparatus. Clamp the test tube as shown in the figure in your lab notebook and heat it with the Bunsen burner, making sure to stir continuously as you heat it. Make sure that you have a cool light blue flame. It should not have a double cone. When all the salt has dissolved, remove the flame and allow the solution to cool in the air. Continue stirring to prevent supersaturation. Record the exact temperature when the solid begins to crystallize from the solution. When it crystallizes, you should see fine white crystals in the solution. You may use tap water to cool the test tube. Weigh the apparatus. The weight of water present is this weight minus the weight of the apparatus plus salt. Add a second measured portion of deionized water to the test tube and repeat the procedures described in steps 4 and 5. Continue this process of adding a measured quantity of deionized water, heating the solution to completely dissolve the salt, allowing the solution to cool while stirring, determining the temperature of crystallization, and weighing the cooled apparatus until a total of at least 6 weights and temperatures of crystallization have been recorded.
Discard in the proper waste container.
Complete the calculations in your lab notebook. You should expect a curved line on your graph instead of the straight one that's shown here.